Hello, buenos dias, salam alaikum, namaste, guten tag. Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. 24th of September, autumn starts with correction. After 6 months, market seems to change their mind. We got such a situation, the euro-dollar cable. What else we've got? We've got gold, we've got silver, Brent crude. They are all heading south. The same story we've got with the Bitcoin. And we've got the same story with Nifty's heading south again, and all other indexes all over the world are going towards the south. The market has changed its direction, or it's only just a correction. In today's video, I would like to tell you about some possible scenarios for the nearest future and show you how to apply market geometry, angles and natural harmonics to predict potential reversal dates of the market. So let's start the rock and roll. At the moment, I'm on EURUSD daily chart and just want to show you what's happening now and what's gonna happen in the nearest future. What you might have realized, the forecast for 1st September I made in one of my previous videos just happened. It's been calculated. And another one I made recently in my previous video saying that that date of 18th of September seems to be a reversal point. It seems to occur at the moment. What happened? I got two support areas over here marked. Pretty important, I consider, also calculate them. But it's not what I'm going to tell you. It's first thing, the market stopped on this support, and why? I'll try to explain you why. Because if you consider that we've got an angle from the starting point of what date was that? That was 14th of May. The market made a very small bottom here before it started heading north. So it made an angle, first impulse, made an angle of, I took the, how is it called? It's called the draw trend line by angle on MT4. And it formed the angle of 66.9 degree. So obviously, half of this value should be pretty important. So let's draw it. 66.9 is nearly 67. So half of 67 degree is 33 and a half. So let's draw it on 33 and a half, and we'll show you where is that. Let's make it more precise, which is 33 and half. Boom. Here we go. So that's the line. It seems at the moment that the market broke this line and stopped at this support. I told you I calculated is based on this high and this low. If you want to know how I do it, watch my other videos. The next thing which is happening here, obviously, it didn't happen randomly, these reversals over here, because they are harmonic with the past. Let me show you. If you draw a rectangle from the top of 31st December last year, last day of the year, and draw it to the point when the market started rising, we formed such a figure. Alright? So now, based on market harmonics, it should project into the future from this point. So if we move all this rectangle here, we should get somewhere the place when the market would show a natural support or resistance, which would be somewhere here. It seems as it's gonna happen tomorrow. on 25th of September, because today, as I told you, is 24th of 9. So that's the first prediction, which might happen. It might be small reversal. If the market decided to continue to go south, probably tomorrow, 25th of September, the market will reverse and will try to get above this angle, which I remind you is half of the angle of the first impulse. So this is the half of this angle. If the market, so that's a possible scenario for tomorrow basically. If the market stops here somewhere, makes a low, and tries to come back here and tries to break this resistance line at the moment, because it has become dynamic resistance, this angle. If the market managed to break it, it will continue its rally north. If not, this will be a potential turning point. At the level, I would say 1715, 1720, which is somewhere here, 1715, 1707, somewhere here, 17, that's roughly the area. So probably somewhere over here, the market might try to force this resistance angle. So that's the one. Another story, I got some calculations over here I made. Which ones are there? I'll show you. I told you in, I think it was my previous videos, 2 videos ago, I told you about the relation between the angles in degrees on a square of 9 and corresponding number of days, which corresponds to each of these angles. All these angles here, you see on the top from 45, 60, 90, and so on up to 360, they are harmonic angles on the square of 9. If you consider it as dates, in days, this 46 days, 91, 160, 37, and so on. It's approximately. It's approximation, and it's roughly, let's say, it's 1 day slippage. But in general, they work. So I made a simulation over here for the date of 22nd of March for EURUSD, which was this candle when market made a bottom of, it's very important bottom because market bottomed here and hasn't been here for a very long time. So this bottom must be important. So this date would be important as well. When I projected this date into the future on these regular numbers, I got 7th of May and 27th of May. Let me show you. So it was, where is 7th of May? It's somewhere here. Is this one, 6th, 7th. 7th of May was this one. 22nd of May was this one. 21st, 22nd was this bottom over here. Another 2, which was 21st June and 21st of July. So on 21st June, where are we? Is it this one? 1923rd. So 21st was in between these two candles. So again, it's shown the local bottom, 21st, 22nd. So 22nd is the first day when it started. 21st was Sunday. So it's shown the local bottom. The next one was 21st of July. Here we go. Yeah, that's the one. 21st of July, what happened? It hasn't been, it's this candle, I think. Yes, it is, 21st. It wasn't a turning point, but important thing is that at that date, market made a new high of the year, which you see, that was the high. The market closed here, and here this furious candle, the big Marabuzu made here, is just after breaking the the yearly high over here on the previous candle. So this was another important date. And I think we got 2 more to go, which I want to show you, which is 6th of August and 20th of September. 6th of August. Where is this? Is this one, I think? Yes, it is. It's 6th of August. This top over here. This top hit exactly. And 20th of September is, my friend, over here. This is 21st. 20th was Sunday. I told you in my previous video on 18th that it's from another calculation. It came as a turning point, which happened over here. So it seems to work pretty nice. As W.D. Gans said, when you start it right, you'll get nice results by simple harmony. They're all hits, but the 21st of July, which I also consider an important value of 120 degree from this day of starting point 22nd of March, because at that time the big Marabuzo happened, the long one. The market didn't reverse. There was no sign of reversal here. So that's why the market, the impulse was, the momentum was so big that the market couldn't reverse here, and reversed later on with the top made on 1st of September. So what's the forecast by this? We got next date, 4th of November, which is pretty far because we just got this turning point on 20th of September. Next one seems to be on 4th of 11. So watch this date carefully. What else have I got here? I got another one which shows me here, and it also works. I don't show you the calculation I've got here. I just calculated by my formulas, and the next date, which shows 2nd of September and 7th of August. Let me show you on another chart because it's too many lines here, or maybe I will do it in the other color. So it has shown last days, which shown. So there was the turning point, this was the turning point, this was not really, it was a turning point, another one as well, and all this apart of 15th of July, which wasn't here, was a turning point. Let me mark you all this for you. Can check them at home. Most of them, 2 of them were not precise, but all the rest was working pretty well. 7th of August and 2nd of September, which is obvious. 7th of August, which is this one. The next one, it's showing the first date of this collapsing market. Let's change the line. The color, let's make it blue, for example. Okay, so it's perfect. And another one is 2nd of September, which shown over here. This is the 2nd of September, as you see on these calculations. The next one, it shows 29th of September, which is not far away. 29. Oh, I managed to hit it straight away. What date is that? 29th of September, Tuesday, next week. It's not far away. Not far away, my friend. So watch carefully these dates, which seem to be 25th of September tomorrow, 29th of September, which is next week on Tuesday. Local turning points might occur on these 2 dates in the nearest future. All the rest, the longer term forecasts, we'll try to do the next time. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a like. I'll see you next time. Green peeps, take care of yourself and bye-bye.